Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get media for Plex. Start by organizing folders and naming files consistently so Plex detects episodes and movies correctly. Next, set up a dedicated media drive or NAS for reliability and easy access. Finally, install and configure Plex Media Server, add your media libraries, scan them so metadata is retrieved, and enable remote access and appropriate transcoding for your bandwidth. Find sources that match your priorities, like RIP backups, Usenet, torrents, or cloud storage, and balance speed with privacy. Ripping disks gives you full control over quality and file names. If you use Usenet or torrents, use a VPN and appropriate clients to manage downloads. Cloud storage can simplify remote access but may add cost, so plan storage, sync, and bandwidth based on how often you stream. Good organization and metadata choices make Plex feel magical when posters and summaries appear correctly. Stick to consistent naming, choose the right metadata agents, and set language preferences. Use local images for corrections and run scheduled scans to keep new content visible. Maintain separate libraries for movies, TV, and home videos to avoid cross-matching. Small habits like these save time and keep your library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.